Alrighty guys, welcome to vlog number 2. I'm heading to the mall right now to go back to school shopping. Psych. I don't go to school, I do online school. But I'm going shopping for the concert tonight and it's gonna be pretty fun. So bang bang.
Is this the video? Is this thing on? Oh, hey guys! Hello!
These birds, they out here munching. It's a hot dog, come on guys. Bang bang! Sweet car! Yeah!
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. Brought me a new shovel. What you think is it? Shit with the new. I'm a nigga put a I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Woke up and just felt right. Phone blown like a tailpipe. Today's schedule airtight. I turn a short day into a long night. See you soon if you got the heart. Meet you outside Rennie Park. Hurry up if it's getting dark. We don't say much and that says a lot. Hop into that old Benz. Drive through where that road ends. Good time with some old friends. I got just a thing if you so tense. Gone one, let's go do some. She got me stoned as Medusa.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. You gonna see my clothes?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you need to start buying mediums, definitely.
Just look at my shirt. This will be the undershirt.
Very nice.
It has like zippers on the side.
Oh, wow.
Look nice.
Very nice.
I look good.
Look handsome.
I look like a grandma. Oh. We heard something over here and it ended up being a wreck. Literally right down here. And we're about to go see if everybody's okay. Oh Lord. He's all. The curb broke. The curb broke. Dang. Oh my gosh. There's a wasp in my mom's car. Holy crap, it's scaring the crap out of me. I kind of want to open the door. Oh my god.
You're all over.
There's a wasp.
Watch out.
How does it even get in there though? Go, go, go. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. All right, let's go tell my mom. Mom?
Hello. Hello, how are you?
I hate to tell you this.
What?
There's a wasp in your car.
No, there's not.
I promise you. Isn't there, Kyle? Yeah. There's a wasp in. No, there's a wasp in your car.
No, there's not.
I promise you. I filmed it. There's a wasp in your car. Come look. Come look.
His shoes on.
Oh, there he is.
Eek! Let him out.
Wait, where'd he go?
You see him?
Where'd he go?
He's up here on
Oh,
the.
you see him, Mom?
He's getting mad. Alright, hold on.
All right. Oh my god. Oh, there he goes. Good job, Kyle. Saving wasp lives day by day with Blake Gray and Kyle Reese. Oh no, it's all muddy. Haha. Bam. All right, so we're about to go get a pedicure because, you know, we gotta have our toes looking nice and great for the ladies, for all you feet lovers out there. Let's get our feet done. So, yeah.
I drink and keep mellow every day. I keep mellow every day. I keep mellow. I smoke and keep mellow. I drink and keep mellow every day. I keep mellow every day. I keep mellow.
We got the ATM, we gotta get that moolah so we can go get our feet done. Alright, so I'm in charge of the music, the aux cord, so I gotta be playing that fire. So let's get back.
Straight like that.
We're here. Oh boy, we about to get some crepes up in this. Woo! Hey, come on, bro. We just got crepes. We're about to go get our nails done. That sounds really weird, but we're about to go see if it's time yet. So yeah.
Are you really taking a picture of them?
No, it's a video. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
How old are y'all?
5.
5? Y'all going to school?
Yeah.
Kindergarten?
We're about to start kindergarten.
Y'all excited?
Kindergarten. But tomorrow I'm going to kindergarten at church.
Okay. You're gonna learn a lot. I learned a lot in kindergarten. I learned how to stack like Legos on top of each other.
That's not learning.
That is learning. So, they want us to get our nails painted, right?
Yes.
What color?
Blue, yellow, orange, and green, and purple, and pink, and all of the rainbow colors, and every single color in the whole entire room. It's really bad.
I'm gonna get blue with white and yellow flowers on there. Look awesome.
Ooh!
Put your feet up here.
Put my feet up here? Yeah. Oh, I got a big foot, don't I? Oh, it's working. Got a pedicure and I found these girls outside waiting for me. Did y'all even know I was here?
Yeah, we saw you.
Oh, you saw my Snapchat story, wow. Alright, so I got home about 30 minutes ago. My camera died, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.